Hi, we're back to Simple Home, and I'm Joy.
I'm Ashley. And I'm Leah. And today we're in my daughter Linsey's new apartment. She's moving in today. She's also a personal chef. And so we decided we wanted to get her started on the right foot in her kitchen. We wanted to set it up where it's really efficient for her to cook for her clients. So we're going to bring Linsey in right now, and we're going to get started.
Linsey, we are so excited to be able to help you today. Just the first day that you're moving in, this is a beautiful apartment. I love how the backsplash looks. The countertops are great. This is a beautiful place, so I'm so excited for you. Would you tell us what you do for a living and how your kitchen is going to be really needing to be efficient and work well for you?
So I'm a registered dietitian and I'm a personal chef as well. I'm always in the kitchen, always try out different recipes and all of that, so efficiency is really, really important for me.
Can you walk us around and just kind of show us what you have and just how you have envisioned of how you use the different spaces?
Yes, absolutely. So we do, like you said, we have a lot of really good cabinet spaces. The one obstacle is that I don't have a pantry.
Okay.
And so needing somehow to utilize some of these cabinets for dry goods and all of that. I have a lot of pots and pans and different dishware and silverware and all of that. I work a lot with like cookie sheets and like all that sort of stuff and Pyrex containers.
And you do keep a lot of containers that you put your clients' food in.
Yes.
So we definitely need a storage place for that.
Yes.
And to have easy access to a lot of different cooking utensils, because I know a lot of baking dishes, you know, some you cook for a family, some you cook for just individuals.
Yeah.
So you need a lot of different sizes to be able to do that. We have all of this baking space and cabinet space around your cooktop and your stove. So this will be, kind of keep that in mind. We may even use this for the pantry or use it for pots and pans and some different cooking essentials there.
Yeah.
So as we move over to this area, you know, the good thing about it is this is not, usually this is unusable space over your sink because it's so tall, but you are taller, so I think you would be able to reach that very easily. I think that'll be a great space for you to use, maybe even put your containers in here for your clients. You know, that's a thought. Here we've got great cabinet space. I mean, for the size of the apartment, you do have a lot of cabinets and drawer space, which is very beneficial. We'll look at maybe using some of this space for glassware, dishware, those kind of things, but you have all of this and even up above the refrigerator, which I think that is still usable space too. Our Back to Simple Home team is just thrilled to be able to see how we can best help you out, so let's get started. I just talked to Linsey and we came up with some great ideas. She has lots of needs here and we're going to try to help her make the best use of the space that we can. In the kitchen, you always have 3 zones, and you need to keep that in mind when you're unpacking your things or getting your kitchen all set up. Zone number 1 is your baking area, has the stove, the stovetop, your microwave, and all your pots and pans and everything that you need to use for baking. Zone number 2 is your sink and your dishwasher. So you want to put all the things like dishes, bowls, utensils, glasses, cups, things like that around zone number 2. And then zone number 3 is your refrigerator. And that always uses, of course you want to do glasses there too, so anywhere between zone 2 and 3 is where you want to put your glasses. Okay, Leah, would you share with us what we're going to do here at zone 1?
Yes. Okay, Linsey is a full-time cook, so we decided for best use of space, we would put her pots and pans right under her oven. And that is because we didn't have another cabinet that was a nice size for those, and we needed to make our best use of space, so that's where we decided to do that. When she's cooking, she needs to be close to her spices, so this is the spice drawer right here. And also when she's cooking, she's going to be reaching for all her cooking utensils. So we're going to place a caddy right here. It's going to be a nice size because it's going to hold all her cooking spoons, spatulas, cooking forks, and everything that she needs while she's here at the stovetop. She's going to be able to reach right here, and we're going to put all her cooking oils, olive oils, coconut oils, and whatever else she needs. We've also decided, since she doesn't have the pantry, that we're going to make the extra cabinet space her pantry area. So that is what we've decided for this zone.
Yes, I love that. Thank you so much, Leah, for sharing that. Ashley, let's let the audience know what we are going to do with zone number 2.
We are going to be putting all of her plates and bowls up here. And the reason why is because her dishwasher right under here, she's going to be able to easily unload and put her plates and bowls up there. We're going to be putting her silverware in this drawer because she can have easy access to go from here to there. Glasses and coffee mugs, cups are going to be up here because it will be easy for her to unload her cups from here, go straight to there. It's also right next to the fridge for ice and filtered water, things like that. Because her coffee mugs are going to be right above here, we're going to put her coffee machine right under here. She loves coffee. She loves to make specialty drinks, so she has a nice coffee system. We're going to put right here, and it will be close to the fridge for her creamer.
I think those are some wonderful ideas. I think we've kind of got our plan in mind. What we're going to do first is get sticky notes and put on the cabinets so that we can mark all the cabinets what goes in those. So that way, if we have anybody else besides us unpacking, they'll know right where it goes. Well, Lindsay, the Back to Simple Home team has been really busy today. We are so excited to show you what we've come up with. You know, I just want to say thank you for letting us come the very first day of your move in to your apartment, and you're trying to get everything settled. But you know what? I think you've done the right thing by letting us come and help you, especially get the kitchen set up, because that is the most important room in your house, especially concerning your job. You know, that you're going to have to be starting doing some things in a couple of days. So let's show you really quickly what we've done, and then if you have any questions, we'd be glad to answer them for you. Okay, we know you need to have a pantry, so we wanted to address that problem very quickly. So what we came up with was using all of these cabinets, and you can look at them real quickly. You don't have a lot of food in there yet, but we thought, you know, canned goods there. We've got pantry space here, pantry space here, and also your spices here.
Oh, that looks so good.
Okay, so that way it's easy
Awesome.
to get to while you're cooking, but it just keeps all the food items in one area. And so I think that's very important for you. And we did put the utensils there in a canister. I think that looks really cute. Your pots and pans are underneath here. Hot pads are here. We did put a few cleaning essentials down here in that basket, and you're going to add a trash can here. That'll be handy. Right here we put your plates and bowls, and you're going to add to this, you know, as you've been here for a little while. But you know, it's only you here, and you'll have probably a couple of friends over, so really you don't need to stock up on a lot of dishes. 4 is plenty. 6, you know, may be good to add to it, but I think you've got plenty for right now to get started. This is just serving dishes, and we put some of your clients' serving dishes under here. And what I'm really excited about is the coffee bar. So, you know, I know you like coffee. You have shown me a lot of things over the years, taught me a lot of stuff about it. So this is where we put that, and we have all your glasses here, all your cups here, your other coffee maker up at the top, and this just makes it so handy to be right here by your refrigerator with your creamers, all of that kind of thing. What are you thinking about all this?
Oh my goodness, it looks so good. Everything is so accessible. I had no idea what y'all were going to do with the pantry, not having a pantry, so I love what y'all did. I can see it all, I can grab it quick, and so
good.
And I love the coffee bar. This is like first stop in the morning, so it's perfect. I love it.
Good. Glad to be able to help you today. thank you for letting us come in and be a part of your move-in day.
I'm so thankful you guys have been a part of this, and it's just made it really, really special for me.
Good. Well, thank you at home for watching us today. We were so excited to be able to help Linsey out. If you like these kind of videos, please subscribe. If you have any great ideas, especially for small apartments, we always like to hear from our audience and just to see what you have to say and give us some great ideas to maybe implement in other places. So thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.